Alright mga kabatang, yon magandang araw o magandang gabi sa inyong lahat ng mga kabatang dyan. At may reaction video na naman po tayo dito sa laban ni Magsayo at saka ni Brian Mercado. So mga kabatang, si Brian Mercado po ay may 11 victory and 6 defeats and 1 draw and 6 win by way of knockout. And si Magsayo ay 26 wins, 2 defeats, and 17 by way of knockout. Yan mga kabatang. At sila ay maglalaban sa lightweight division. 6 round lang po yan mga kabatang. So, maganda-ganda pong laban ito. At ang magandang pinakita dito ni Magsayo talaga mga kabanta. Biniwayway na naman ang bandila ng Pilipinas. Yan ang maganda kay Magsayo. So yun mga kabatang, yan po matagal na nag-training sa Amerika. Kaya magaling na rin magsalita yan ng mga spokening dollar. Yan mga kabatang. Magaling na rin siyang magsalita ng mga English na yan. Dahil nga matagal na tumira sa Amerika mga kabatang yan, si Magsayo. Si Magnifico Magsayo. So talagang maganda ipinakita niya dito sa lightweight division. Nakalaban si Brian Mercado. So maganda-ganda to. Talagang apat na taong baga ang kalaban. So bago ko ito i-reaction video, panoorin muna natin yung mga nangyari sa laban ni Magnifico Magsayo at Brian Mercado. So yun.
Homeland at Tagbilaran City, Bohol, the Philippines. More Magnifico Magsayo. Our referee, Ivan Guillermo.
He saw the right from the beginning. Right remember, hit him with that left hand. So Magsayo's got to be ready. He's got to be alert. You know, I'm liking what I see already. I saw the step over, you know, as if to say, I want an early night, but I want to give everybody an opportunity to show my skills to the world once again. Set up right there for Magsayo. That's what we talked about in the dressing room. I talked to him, I talked to his wife. I said, I can't overreach, I can't lunge in, and he's starting to do that. He's got to set up his punches.
I agree with you. He'll get caught extending. You know, you never know what this man has. The counter puncher could sit down on something and wait for you to make a mistake. He needs to let his hands go. I mean, Magsayo, he has to let it go. Let your hands go. You're in a fight. You sit back and pace. You know, look at the scars.
And Brian Mercado, he's ready. I mean, let's remember, let's remind people that Brian Mercado was supposed to fight November 30th against Carmel Moulton. But Moulton came in 15 pounds over the weight limit. Moulton, obviously, a great prospect from Mayweather Promotions, and obviously said, no, I can't fight this guy 15 pounds over. So here he is. That was November 30th, and Brian was ready.
What's with these Mayweather fighters? They seem to come overweight, like you know, that's part of their game plan. And even the advice they give people coming over.
I don't know. Sometimes you get away with it, and they're waiting. I guess they hope that the fighter will take the fight and have that advantage. But Brian said, no, I'm not taking the fight. Here he is. Against Magsayo, like you mentioned, an experienced fighter, speed, power. He's got it. Letting his hands go. Beautiful body shot.
Magsayo's cutting the ring off right now. He's just waiting. He's anticipating. He knows what's in front of him. He can feel the skill level that's in front of him. There you go. Walk him down. Shot to the bottom.
He dropped his mouthpiece out. Spears right there. A better move to catch some air. To gain, opportunity to recover a little bit. Magsayo, he's experienced. He's gonna go.
Now look at the corner, Magsayo. They seem to be great upset about something.
Great finisher, but hey, the time is up for Mercado's side. Great timing.
You can definitely see the experience.
Oh, he opened up the guard. Beautiful left hand to right hand to the body. Another hand. He's got it, obviously. He's faced the likes of Brandon Figueroa, Ray Vargas. Those are the only two defeats that he's got. So, obviously mixed. Oh. Sorry how he put it there.
This referee, I think he's getting ready to call it. Give him his count, give him his 10 count. Let him see what he has. The referee's gonna stop this.
Yeah,
If not,
I'm surprised Mercado got up. I thought he was just going to stay there.
I'm surprised the corner doesn't stop it. Great stoppage. Oh, and a flip to entertain everybody.
And that's what you wanted from Magsayo. He said, hey, I wanted a stay busy type of fight. And this was it against Brian Mercado. He did what he had to do. He had a
Mga kabatang yun, napanood natin laban ni Brian Mercado at ni Magnifico Magsayo. So yun, nadali po ni Magsayo sa mga body shot. Sa unang round po ay nakadalawang upo ang si Mercado. At sa round 2 naman ay nakadalawa rin at tinigil na ng referee. So yun mga kabatang, sa tingin ko may 11 wins po itong kalaban, pero marami pa itong talagang kumbaga panghimagas lang kay Magnifico ito. Tingin ko kay Magnifico Magsayo mga kabatang ay gutom na gutom sa laban. Talagang gusto niya yung talagang laban na laban, yung talagang nakikipagsabayan. Kasi ito mga kabatang, napapanood ko din mga laban ito. Natalo din ito pero hindi siya sumuko. Nanalo pa rin siya kahit nababody shot siya mga kabatang. So, maganda ang pinakita ni Magsayo. Pero sa tingin ko sa kalaban ay hindi kumbaga sa akin lang opinion mga kabatang ay hindi masyadong match kay Magnifico Magsayo. Hindi siya match siya. Talagang tingnan niyo naman ang laban. Nakauupo sa body shot lang. Pero kung ang mga kalaban nito yung mga panalo yung mga kagaya niya, yung mga kagaya ng mga 26 wins, ganyan, mga 30 wins, ganyan, ang mga nakalaban niya, pwede magtagal-tagal ang laban. Pero ito, umabot ng, kung sa kanya, sa first round niya, dapat tinigil na eh. Nabot na lang ng round 2 sa round 2, wala na. Dalawa na agad kaupo eh. Umupo na lang yung si Brian Mercado. So yun mga kabatang, proud tayo kay Magnifico Magsayo kahit ganyan din ang nakalaban niya. So easy money yan kay Magsayo. So iyan po tumira na sa Amerika kaya magaling po yung magsalita ng mga spoken dollar mga kabatang. So maganda pinakita ni Magsayo. Sana sa susunod na laban ni Magsayo makalaban siya na matikas-tikas. Yung talagang makikipagbakbakan kay Magsayo mga kabatang. So yun, at iniwagayway na naman ang bandila ng Pilipinas sa larangan ng boxing ng mga Pilipino. So yun mga kabatang, anong reaction ninyo sa laban ni Magsayo at kay Brian Mercado? So yun, comment down below.